Hey, Greece and Rome people. I thought I'd throw this one off pretty fast. I just wanted to give you some insight into what the word tangent means in terms of where it comes from, its etymology. If there's one leitmotif in the evaluations at the end of a semester that is somewhat not positive, shall we say, it's that I go on a lot of tangents. So I kind of want to defend that practice by pointing out its etymology. It comes from tango in Latin, meaning to touch. And so a tangent is something that touches upon the main point. You have the main point, then you go off on a tangent. Well, off on a tangent is one way of putting it, but really you're off on the tangent, yet at the same time you're touching the thing that you are going to return to. But when you do, you will do so with greater understanding in the minds of your listeners for the very thing that you return to, as opposed to it being redundant. And so in the same way that in the last video I made a distinction between entertain and distract, so I would say that a tangent is different from a digression, away from the main idea. No, a tangent touches upon it and enriches your understanding of the main point that is going to be returned to. So tangents are valuable in that they are related to as opposed to separate from, and a divergence from the main point that you're trying to get across. And by understanding the etymology of tangent, as you do now, you have a better appreciation for the advantages of tangents if they're done right, in the sense that they lend greater depth to what you're trying to understand.